cool little thing. It's not far off of 13 actually to come here. So I mean, if you're passing by in this area, it's really quick to get here. Oh, you bet. Oh, I love the ceiling and stuff in here. Look how nice this is.
Good morning. How are you? Are you our first shop?
We are. We are your first. You are #1 on our list.
Put you on my YouTube or your shop. Do you mind if you shop on the YouTube?
Shop? Yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
I see y'all on Facebook as well. That's cool.
Good morning.
Wow.
Our jelly rolls, layer cakes, charm pads,
Cool
backboard
shop.
bundles, all the pre-cuts like that are 20% off.
Okay. Awesome.
And then
Wow.
we have some 3-yard bundles that are on sale for
This is our happy place.
$29.99. Is that what it is, Janet?
Yeah, I think that was the sign up there. I think
Yeah.
it's $29.99.
Wow, all kind of sales going on.
You all excited about all this?
We got the table back here.
And yes,
And we got the 30% off fabric at the front.
Okay.
The only thing was a little
And
green
then-
dot on the
And then we have a little roll of fabric that's $5
$5
a
a yard.
yard
We
back
only
here
have
in
4 or
the back.
5
So
bolts
just
left,
wander
so.
around.
Okay.
Have any
Cool.
questions, let us know.
Okay.
And let them know about our sales.
Okay.
Our pre-cuts.
It'll
our
be on
packaged
there.
Pre-cuts will be on sale for the entire shop hop.
We're easy
Oh,
to find
cool.
right here on the
I know.
square.
Y'all are.
You're not
Y'all
far
are.
off the
It's a
road
great
there.
place to stop for lunch. We have several really great restaurants around town. And
Okay.
Yeah.
right here on the square, we have what, 4 or 5?
It's beautiful.
I know. I noticed
Yeah.
almost
We never
everything is
actually came, yeah.
full.
We're getting more time in Clinton. We've got quite a few cute shops and the museum is awesome.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
for a small town museum is great.
And it'd take two hours
Oh,
anyway.
to go through it, yeah.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
anything particular you're needing, let us know.
I'm just.
I'm gonna
enjoying
put
it.
your stamp in, it'll be back here at the cash register.
And
Thank
the
you.
Cool.
shop- The shop just kind of makes a circle around.
All right.
Plus
Start in
we have
front.
stuff in the back.
All right.
Thank you, ladies. yeah, 2 entrances.
We have 2 entrances. And there's our shop hop design that we did. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
On this series here, we're going to revisit some of the quilt shops that were in the first couple of videos that were a little fast for some people. I thought I would add in their block. I am going to do their block, but I can't give you all the cutting instructions because these are copyrighted by Shop Hop Incorporated, the company that helped put on this series. I also am going to do the blocks in a scrappy version. There will be some. This yellow is from the Missouri Shop Hop collection, but for the most part it will be using scraps. I've got a lot of scraps to use up, so I'm not really going to talk about how to put it together. I'm just going to put it together and we'll show you the finished block. Thank y'all for joining me for this recap on White Flower Quilt Shop and the construction of their block number 129. And remember, guys, to always be yourself. I hope you have a great day.